this is the end of my Domino's pizza. Basically 3 days worth of it for meals. So what I do is I reheat the pizza instead of the microwave. I reheat it now in my June oven. So this is the pan that I put it in, and it auto detects that it's pizza. Click the pizza. Continue would let me see, wait a second. You can browse to see what it tells you to do. Middle shelf, you know, that pan, whatever. Anyway, continue. And it detects that it's already previously made pizza, basically. It's always about the same amount of time, you know, 10, 11 minutes. It has 3 cooks. The first cook is just the bottom, so it just does the bottom. And then once it detects that it's ready to be switched, it adds the top. And then at the end, that'll be, you know, the reheat 2 of 3. And then 3 of 3 is just broil at the top. So right now you can see the top is not on. And yeah, I need to clean it a little, but these have the ceramic elements that it's a little, you know, persnickety, and I don't want to break them. So I need to have watch a video on how to properly clean it, because lots of people have broken their heating elements because they're ceramic heating elements. Anyway, it detects, super cool. You know, put it in, it's pizza, it knows that it's already been cooked, and then it's a reheat cycle. So I just wanted to show that, and it turns out fantastic. All right, take care.